You have to push the cup up higher, honey. Not the straw, the cup. There you go. Whoop. Okay, ready? One more time. Can you get her to blow bubbles again? What are you doing to your sister, Colton? Alright, how about you let your sister one more time? And then she has to eat breakfast. Colt, let your sister do one more time. Alright, you cute kids.